How can you use emotional triggers in order to sell more? Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you what emotional triggers are and how you can use them to sell more in your advertisement copy. So, what are emotional triggers? Now, emotional triggers are the things that make us feel a strong sense of emotion. So, they're the words, phrases, smells, pictures, videos, sounds that make us feel certain emotions. You might look at a certain picture, feel very sad looking at it. You might hear a certain phrase and get very pissed off and angry thinking about it. So that is what a brief overview of an emotional trigger is. But how can we use it in order to sell more? Now, we can use emotional triggers in order to get people to buy more of our stuff. So we can get people excited to buy our products, or we can get them worried and stressing that they're gonna miss out on their only chance to buy it. So there are different ways we can use it. Now, when I say this, I don't mean it as in like a just use this phrase and run a stock ending sale. That's not how you use emotional triggers. I'm going to break down exactly how you do that in this video. So if you don't know who I am already, my name is Javier Tabet. I've been running a digital marketing agency for the last year, and we've helped dozens of our clients scale with paid advertising. So we've had to write a lot of paid copy. That means we know how to write copy to sell. Before I reveal what the emotional triggers are, you need to understand that there are different types. So I'm going to go over each type now. The first type is scarcity. When it comes to scarcity, there are different ways you can implement it, but these are the two best ways you can implement it. One, with limited time offers, and two, with exclusive deals. Now, the reason I say this is because they're the most authentic types of scarcity, right? Having scarcity that is fake, like a fake stock option, and if you do have a real stock option, definitely use that. So low stock, use that to your advantage. If you don't, stick with limited time offers and exclusive deals. The reason being is because you can actually authentically say, you can get on camera and say it because you actually mean it. Now, the key differentiator here that's going to separate you from your competition is how you actually say these things, right? It's how you position yourself, position your tonality, and the way you write it so that your customers actually believe you. So when it comes to limited time offers, you have to be bold, you have to be generous, meaning it is for everyone, but it's only there for a limited time. And you have to be serious. You have to genuinely mean that shit when you say it. It can't just be limited time, oh, but we're extending it. No, it's limited time, that's it. Sorry, everyone, you missed out. So that's the thing when it comes to limited time offers. When it comes to exclusive deals, this one is even worse. You have to be ruthless, right? You have to be absolutely ruthless when it comes to exclusive deals. So when it comes to them, you have to have a tone of mystery, excitement, as well as being super, super hyped about your product. It's limited, right? It's special. That it isn't going to be anything like this made again. It's unique. You have to be excited about it, right? When you write your copy with these tones, you genuinely force the customer to think that your product or service is scarce. So what is the next emotional trigger that you can use right now to make $1,000,000 ad copy? The next one is social proof. Now this is another interesting one because most people think social proof is just screenshotting a testimonial or having a testimonial written up in Canva. No, social proof is much more than that. So the three types of social proof are customer reviews, user statistics, as well as testimonials. Now, when I say testimonials, I don't just mean Canva testimonials. I'm talking about screenshots of text between you and your clients. I'm talking about Google reviews. I'm talking about Slack reviews. I'm talking about Trustpilot testimonials. Any testimonial that is one, authentic, or two, verified by an authentic platform like Google, Facebook, Trustpilot, Slack. These are the testimonials that you want to be promoting. You don't want to be promoting the Canva ones. Anyone can create a Canva testimonial. But when it comes to creating a text message, yes, anyone can do it, but if you show the whole text message leading up to it, it's more authentic, it's more believable, and it's more like a testimonial more than, oh, look at me, someone says something about my product. Now, another form of testimonials that people avoid, they miss out on this one, it's having videos and photos, right? Videos with your clients or videos of your product or videos of your finished product or your customers using your finished product or your customers using your finished service. So that is the main one. So if you're not implementing this, you are missing out, right? You can have a testimonial that does 90% of the selling. You don't even have to have emotional copy. You can just have normal copy. But because you have a real testimonial, it does the selling for you. Now, the last one is using statistics. these have to be verified, and you have to have authentic statistics that are believable for the size of your company, organization, or your operations. So if they're not believable, people just go, oh yeah, whatever, this cunt's, he's talking shit. He doesn't actually have these results. But if it is believable, it's much more powerful. And when you couple that statistics with testimonials, you have social proof that you can leverage and talk about in your copy in order to brainwash your prospects to buy. Now, the last emotional trigger I'm going to touch over is one of the most powerful. If you've made it this far, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Now, this form of social proof is super powerful, and if you haven't been using it, you're missing out on millions of dollars. So the last form is curiosity. And what is curiosity? You know what curiosity is, I know what it is, but what does it mean in terms of your ad copy and your advertisements? Using curiosity is like a massive clickbait, right? It's a mental clickbait that people have to figure out what is happening. And if you don't use this, you're missing out on people paying attention to your product and service and potentially buying. So curiosity can look like a few things. Now, you can have curiosity in the way you write. You can write things that are elusive, that leave cliffhangers, that give a little bit but don't give you that hype, but only give you a little bit of context. Things that genuinely build desire or curiosity. Then you can do it in another form, which is videos. If your advertisements have curiosity hooks, meaning hooks that inspire curiosity, like what's going on, what's he holding, who's in the background, why is that person yelling at that person in the background, why is he wearing a purple hat, this doesn't make sense. All of these things have different triggers that cause people to go, what the heck is going on? What is this? This isn't normal. I haven't seen this before. That embeds curiosity, that gets people thinking, and it gets them to think, holy shit, there's something here I need to figure out. And what is it? Now, some people just don't care. At the time they are in the day, they don't care. They'll keep scrolling. But for the most part, the more wider you can have your curiosity for your product and service, the better results you're going to get. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. We're on a journey to hit 1,000 followers, and we're posting every day until we do. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.